Welcome to Combinations of Transformations. So we're going to have a look at combining our dilation video with our translation just to put it all together in one example. So for example, y equals 6 minus x squared. We're going to have a vertical dilation by a factor of a half and then a translation down 2 units. And then we're going to repeat the exact transformation, but in the reverse order. So we've got our function y equals 6 minus x squared. The vertical dilation, so remember vertical affects the y, so it's y over a half. So we replace the y with 2y. So 2y equals 6 minus x squared. So dividing by 2, you get y equals 3 minus a half x squared. And when we translate that down 2 units, that means that instead of passing at 3 on the y-axis, it now passes at 1. So it's 1 minus a half x squared. So now let's switch it around. So our function was 6 minus x squared. Translate it down 2 units first. So you take the 2 off the 6. So we're now down to 4 minus x squared. Vertical dilation, factor of a half, replaces y over a half, or 2y. So 2y equals 4 minus x squared. Divide everything by 2 and you get y equals 2 minus a half x squared. Thank you.